What is up, fam? We're back, and I currently didn't give you guys an update, but we got the fairing right here. We got some of the other stuff. We currently got the bike assembled onto the frame. I just mocked up the fairing just to see what it would look like with that on, with the tail on, the peg, put the exhaust on. I kind of cleaned up the wheels a little bit, put the tire hugger on, got the shift rod on, the shift linkage, whatever. Yeah, radiator, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, things are coming along, but yeah, I should have updated you guys a little bit more, but I hope y'all enjoy the video. We're still not done, but remember to like, share, and subscribe, because it does mean a lot. But yeah, it is coming along. Heck yeah. We're at a stopping point right now. And this is where we are. Currently looking like. Battery's low, time to change it. Let's get on with it. We are back, and now we are going to continue again. Resuming back to where we were. it is extremely hot right now. It is like 100 degrees. So like I'm chilling right here. I'm letting it cool down a little bit because everything's starting to get hot and overheat. So yeah, right now I have loosened up. It doesn't look like I did anything, but I have loosened up the subframe. All I gotta do is pull that, pull the rear, and pull the front, pull the engine, and I'm good. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. We're back. I'm taking off the frames. I'm bolting the motor mounts right now. I already did the other side. Took off the front triple tree. All I gotta do is take off the frame, put this frame on there, respraying that, and the front end is already disassembled. I already took off the bearings and the locks and everything for the triple tree. So that is off. Like I said, I already took off the motor mount on this side, and there's the bracket. But yeah, still tearing it down. Not much left, and then we will be putting everything back on. What's up, guys? We're back. Got John. And right now we just finished putting the battery in, tightening it down. We just put the tank on. I just plugged in my odometer. Now I can start it and see how if everything is good with it and everything. I'd say we finished this in about exactly 24 hours, if not a little bit less.
I do it gentle. Prawns and everything.
I think it's loud.
I told you that's what you need to put on with your exhaust.
That thing is loud. But yeah, we just got little things here and there. Put everything back on.
Why are you doing it to me? I don't know what that is. It's called a GoPro. I think he may need help backing up.
Yeah.
He need help backing up. Oh, goddamn, don't kill him.
We'll be back.
He turned that down too. Nice job. Why you do that? Now look, the people gonna be mad.